Are you a small business owner or a freelancer? Then the Goodviser app is just for you. Goodviser is a smartphone application that will connect you to more customers and promote your business for free. Yes, promote your business for free. Become a Goodviser, give advice, and get new clients. Goodviser is an American online platform for businesses that operates via a mobile app. It is used for professional networking. By giving advice related to your services and goods, you attract more clients. Thousands of people daily are looking for professional advice. Goodviser will connect them directly to you and your services. Wide range of industries are presented in our app. The list of our specialists includes appliance technician, accountant, travel agent, business consultant, plumber, handyman, financial advisor, real estate broker, therapist, and so on. By creating a Goodviser business account, you will be able to chat directly with anyone seeking advice or services. Share your knowledge, help users find solutions to their problems, and convert them into paying customers without spending much money on advertising, such as Yelp, Google, Angie, Facebook, and so on. Give your potential clients the ability to find you. Your business page on Goodviser is a new way to connect and engage with clients. Some of our unique features include ability to post announcements, news feeds, posts, public requests and answers, and so on. Goodviser helps you build trust with your potential clients so they can proceed to work with you. Download the app now, save money, and reach new customers by simply giving your professional advice today.